In this video, we will be looking at our new course on the Microsoft AB-730 certification, AI Business Professional. Hello, I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com. In November 2025, Microsoft released 3 new certifications, the AB-900, 730 and 731. In this video, we're going to be looking at the AB-730, the AI Business Professional. Now, like the AB-731, this is for business users. Unlike the 731, which is about the bigger picture of AI, the AB-730 certification focuses squarely on Microsoft 365 Copilot and Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat and how it is used with apps. So you can see you need to have experience with generative AI-powered productivity tools, including Microsoft 365 Copilot, which is used in Outlook, Word, Teams, PowerPoint and Excel, and also the agents, researcher and analyst. So there's no building AI apps, though you will be building AI agents as part of the preparation for the exam, and no writing code. So if you are a business user who wants to see how you can make the most of Microsoft 365 Copilot and Copilot Chat, then this certification could be for you. Now, what exactly do you need to do? Well, if I scroll down and click on the study guide, you can see that there are 3 main areas. Understand generative AI fundamentals, manage prompts and conversations by using AI, and draft and analyze business content by using AI. And I've got a video going into detail about all the skills that you need. Well, to assist you with your preparations, we have released our new AB-730 Microsoft AI Business Professional Exam Preparation video course. In around 4 hours, we'll go through all of the topics that you need for the AB-730 certification. Now, I will be using Microsoft 365 Business and Microsoft 365 Copilot Business as well. There is a free trial available for Microsoft 365 Business, but there is no such thing as a free trial for Microsoft 365 Copilot Business. The least you can get is a year's license. So if you don't have that, then you can either purchase it or you can watch the videos in the course, answer the quiz questions and the practice test questions, and do some of the practice activities. By the end, you will know what you can do with Microsoft 365 Copilot and whether it is right for you and your business. So what will we do in this course? Well, firstly, we'll create prompts. So we'll create effective prompts. We'll understand how Copilot keeps your organization's information private and secure. We'll look at resources to reference in a prompt and see how the context can affect Copilot responses. Then we'll manage prompts and conversations. We'll save, share and schedule prompts. We'll delete, rename and find previous chats and add a conversation to a notebook. We'll then have a look at how we can identify responsible AI and data protection practices. We'll start off with identifying common risks, such as fabrications or hallucinations, prompt injection and over-reliance. We'll select verification steps appropriate to the task, including human review. We must make sure that we have humans in the loop. We'll recognize and mitigate risks to sensitive data and understand how data protection restricts prompt results. We'll then have a look at how to manage meetings and collaboration. So we will use Copilot in Microsoft Teams. We will see how we can use Copilot pages for collaboration and how Copilot uses memory and instructions. We'll then create and manage Microsoft 365 Copilot agents. So these are specialized things that you can create to answer questions about your own documents. So we'll understand when we can use the agent store and what the difference is between a chat and an agent in terms of how you experience them. We'll understand how we can create an agent using a template and then configure an agent that has knowledge and agent settings and share an agent with team members. And then finally, we'll draft business documents and communications. So we'll create documents from a prompt in Microsoft Word and in PowerPoint, and then we'll see how we can use Copilot in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. So as you can see, there's around 4 hours worth of video. So in just one day, you can prepare for this examination. And just as importantly, see how you can use Microsoft 365 Copilot and Copilot Chat in your business. For more information, please go to our website, idodata.com, and then click on AI and Copilot and select AB-730. Well, thank you very much for watching this. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments to this video. And why not like and click subscribe? That way you'll be notified of new videos if you click that bell. Now, if you've heard of the AB-900 certification, you might be wondering what's the difference between the AB-730 and 900 and which is right for you. To find out more, please click on the video on the end screen. I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com. Thanks for watching and keep learning.